So, ang napili ko pong arts po ay ang gawa ni Vincent van Gogh. So, ito po siya, Starry Night po. Then, so, the history of Starry Night. Vincent van Gogh painted the Starry Night in 1889 while he was staying in Saint Paul Salon in Saint Remy, France, where he lived for a year following a broken down and the mutilations of his left ear painted with oil on canvas. The artist attempt to capture the view from the window in his room. Ang analyze niya po, the starry night meaning can be derived from the large cypress tree and symbol of graveyards, mourning, and death. The stars are symbols of dreaming, heaven, and death. The church, mysteriously dark in this painting, is a symbol of this religion's upgrading as the spire is batch and not French in design. So, ginawa niya po ito nung broken po siya. Then, yun po, nagawa niya yung Starry Night. Yun po, thank you.